Hey everyone, welcome back to Amore Fabrics. Are you guys ready for some fun? I know I am. I'm just getting started. Here I have you guys a pack that I just put into the shop. It's a do-it-yourself vinyl, vintage vinyl, tablecloth, doily, coffee dye kit. I have here in this kit just awesome pieces for you guys. And here's some of the papers I'm going to show you here within this video, so stay tuned. As you can see here, the doilies you see are what you're going to get. I made sure this pack, you got 6 large cuts of vinyl that are 9 by 12 to fit these papers that will also be in the pack as well. And the doilies you see here will be in this pack. It is a 10 piece of vinyl doilies. And here I'm going to show you what I've already coffee dyed with them to show you what my papers turned out like. So the papers that are in this kit are going to be the same paper along with the coffee. So then you're going to get the same results I am showing you here. I'm also going to add to this kit a do-it-yourself tutorial. You guys can see how I did it and how easy it is to do it as well. As you can see here, look at these papers. Aren't they gorgeous? Again, 9 by 12 pieces. I made sure these cuts were pretty rather large to where either you want the full size page or if you want to cut them down like I did this and made a different design on my pages. It's up to you. A lot of options to cut out or keep them whole, but 10 large pieces are just amazing. Look how beautiful they turn out. I'm impressed. It took me only 5 minutes. I can't wait to show you guys the tutorial as well. How cute, right? See, I played with the doilies here. I put some to the side, little bitty doily there. Some of the cutouts from the other doilies I put in there too. Here you go. Here's a good example of the doily here, just on that paper. This paper is a general purpose paper. It is meant for water-based products, so when you use it, it absorbs it without having rips or tears. It gives a crinkly sound. It's rather fun. I love the sound of it. Here you guys is more views of what the papers would look like. Again, I hope you guys run over to the shop. There's only 18 packs available. Look how beautiful they turned out. Again, when I just put them in the coffee, it took like 5 or 10 minutes and these papers gave me these results. It was fast drying. I was pretty impressed. Here's a good look at what you're going to get. You're going to be getting the coffee and the sponge, 25 pages of that general purpose paper, all these beautiful large cut vinyl doilies to be able to present you the results you've seen in the papers that I showed you. I hope you guys run over to the shop and grab yours while you can. Like I said, I have only 18. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this kit that I provided you. Goodbye.